Any learnings or surprises since you've joined?
Quite a few, actually. As I said, I was already advising company owners, CEOs, on their growth. So I said, how different can it be? I mean, I already did this, so not a big deal. And I realized that it's completely different from service or consulting work that I was doing. It's not about doing things for the company. Actually, I learned this nice expression, nose in, fingers out, which means you don't get involved in the operations. You let the company CEO manage and their team manage the everyday business, but you're just there to help them see the broader picture, to navigate and address more strategic questions, which quite often CEOs who are involved in day-to-day management don't get enough time to go, grow up or climb up to see enough, which is, for example, growth through acquisitions, funding, or other strategic domain. So this is one thing, and the other thing which surprised me was that actually you don't need to always know all the answers. Your job as a board member is more to ask the right questions. And one of the values that one can bring to the company is through your network. So if there is a question that company needs to solve, which you pointed them to, you don't need to be the expert. You can bring the expert from your network. And Veblen provides this network because I've met people from all kinds of walks of life, so I was able to point people to the real experts. That is also a value to the company. So these two aspects were things that I didn't expect.
Okay.